Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Clearpay on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So open up Amazon and then log into your account. So if you have an account, log in. So once I've logged in here, so if you want to pay with Amazon, to pay with Clearpay, so just add an item to your cart. So for example, let me add something to my cart. I'll just use this watch here, so I'm just going to add it. So let me add this to my cart, and then once you've added it to your cart, so now go to your checkout. So once you get to your checkout here, so when you get to this section here, choose a payment method. So here you'll have different payment methods here. So if you want to pay with Clearpay it's a buy now and pay later option. So you will see something like this. This varies depending on location. Since I'm not in the UK, so I don't have the Clearpay option, but instead I have a zip option which is similar to Clearpay. So all you have to do is simply select it. So just select it, and then once you have selected it, so you just have to log into your account. So if you are using Clearpay, so log into your Clearpay account. In here I have a zip account, and then what you're going to do, just click on use this payment method. So click on it, and then once you have click on it, and then just complete the transaction using your Clearpay. So keep in mind that this depends on the region. So if your region supports Clearpay, you'll be able to see this option. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.